How to set up shipping on Big Cartel. Hello and welcome to our channel, WebWiz. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can set up shipping on Big Cartel. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. So the first thing that you need to do is open your browser and kindly go to bigcartel.com, or you can simply click the link on the description below, and you will be directed on this page in which it will show you the details about this platform. And if you don't know Big Cartel, it is an e-commerce platform that caters specifically to artists, makers, independent designers, and small creative businesses to sell their unique products and merchandise online, in which it is designed to provide a straightforward and user-friendly way for creative individuals to establish an online store and showcase their creative work. And to access this platform, they also offer a variety of pricing plan that you can avail by simply clicking this pricing option on the top panel. Below here, it will show you some of the plan including the gold features, the platinum, and also the diamond features. And you will see the corresponding prices on each plan and the list of benefits it included. But in those options, I'm going to choose this gold features, which is for free. Or you can sign up by clicking this button on the top right corner. And upon signing in, you're also required to verify your email address, and to do that, just go to your email inboxes, and below here, kindly click this verify your email address button, in which upon clicking on it, you will be directed on this page, in which this is the dashboard of bigcartel.com, and you can see on the top panel some of the options that you can start navigating, including the dashboard, orders, products, discount, and also your account. And under this dashboard, it will show you the checklist or some of the tasks that you need to complete in setting up your account in Big Cartel. And as you can see here, I am now done verifying my location and currency. So the next step is to add a product, and to do that, kindly simply clicking on it. And upon doing so, you will be directed on this page. And as you can see, we're currently on the product section. And from here, to add a product, kindly click this button that says Add a Product. And upon clicking on it, you will be directed in here. And below here, all you need to do is to fill out all of the required information, including the product name. So let's say I'm going to enter here Product 1. And also, you are required to enter the description of your product. And aside from that, below here, you're also required to enter or select your categories. Or to add your categories, kindly click this plus button right here, and it will show you a pop-up window, and just proceed by clicking the Manage Categories button. Then proceed by clicking the plus button again, and enter the category name that you prefer. Then proceed by clicking the Save button below. And after that, the next thing that you need to do is to select or enter the prices of this specific product. So let's say I'm going to enter here 1,000 pesos as its price. And aside from that, below here, the next thing that you need to do is you could also add a variant or variant group in order to enable inventory tracking. And also below is the shipping of this product, and all you need to do is to simply select a country and just input the shipping fee alone and with others. And as you can see, I'm now currently selecting the Australia as a country for shipping and no amount for alone and with others as its shipping fee. And just proceed by clicking the Save button below here. And after that, it will show you that your product has now been added. Now going back on this dashboard, it will show you that the Add Product task has now been checked. So now the next thing that we need to do is to explore shipping profiles or to set up the shipping on Big Cartel. And to do that, kindly click on it and you will be directed on this page. And as you can see, we're currently on Account section, in which below here, it will show you a lot of details about your account, including your shop, location and currency, get paid, taxes, and many more. And in those options, kindly proceed on Shipping Profiles Beta. And as you can see from here, you can apply your shipping profiles at checkout, default shipping profile, and product shipping profiles. And to do that, kindly click this Edit Your Shipping button below, in which from here, under the shipping profiles, it will show you that you could also turn on the Shipping Profiles Beta, in which by enabling this shipping profile, it will make your shipping rates on the default mode. However, we currently don't have a default shipping rates, So all we need to do is to simply set up the default shipping rates. And you can click this button below here to do that, or alternatively, you can go back to this page and disabling this shipping profiles beta, and below under the default shipping rates, you could also see here the product shipping profiles that you could also set up. However, to set up the default shipping rate, just click this button right here. And upon clicking on it, you will be directed on this page. And below here, all you need to do is to customize the amount of shipping fee on each shipping methods. And to do that, kindly click on this shipping methods, which is standard. And from here, you can start customizing the amount of the shipping fee for first item and also the amount for additional or each additional item. Or you could also change the description of this shipping method. And as you can see, it says here that approximately delivery is 3 to 5 days. So I'm going to change this to 6 to 7 days. Then proceed by clicking the done button below. And upon clicking on it, the next thing that you need to do is to also set up the other shipping method by simply clicking on it and change the amount of shipping fee for first item and for each additional item fee. And you could also customize the name of the shipping method and the description of it. Now for the last one, which is the customer pickup. For this shipping method, I'm going to make the shipping fee more cheaper than the others since it is customer pickup. And after that, just click the done button below. And aside from that, if you want to add additional shipping method, just click this button and just simply fill out all of the required information, including the name of the shipping method. So for instance, I'm going to enter here standard shipping method. And you could also add the description about the shipping method and also the amount of shipping fee for first item and for each additional item. Then just proceed by clicking the done button if you are now done. And now the next thing that we need to do is to select the country or zone that you want to add this shipping profile. So let's say I'm going to select the country United States. And after selecting the country, you're also required to enter or select the specific region of that country. And below, it will show you all of the region that are part of that country. But I'm going to make it Midwest as the region target. And now to save the changes, just click the save button below. And upon clicking on it, you will be directed on this page. And as you can see, it says here that the default profile rate has now been created. And aside from that default, we could also set up the product shipping profiles. By simply clicking on this button, you will be directed in here. And from here, just click this plus button under the shipping rates. And you will be directed on this page. And for here, just do the same process on how to set up the shipping methods. And now that we set up the default shipping rates, we can now start enable the shipping profiles beta. And after setting up the shipping on Big Cartel, the next thing that we need to do is go back again to this dashboard, and you will see here that the Explore Shipping Profiles task has now been checked. And you could also complete some of the tasks below the shipping profiles. So that is just how you can set up shipping on Big Cartel. Thank you.